Hi, my name is Ala. This is Math is Easy with Ala channel. Today we will discuss in Calculus 2 the integration techniques, introduction to integration by parts, and how to choose carefully U and dv. We recognize that there is some integrals that we cannot solve it by using the basic formula or the integral by substitution like this. The integral of x sine x dx, we cannot, there is no formula or basic formula or integral by substitution not helping here. For that, we must find another way. And this way, or this is the new techniques called integrals by parts. The integral by parts, the integral of u dv equal uv minus the integral of v dv. But the problem here, how to choose carefully u and v, because when you choose u, you choose it to derivative it, and when you choose dv to integral it. Now, if I choose like here, if I choose u as sine x and dv as x dx, it will be derivative it will be du equal cosine x dx, and v will be x squared. Now u times v, it will be sine x times x squared minus the integral of v du, it will be x squared cosine x. And here you make it more complicated because you choose u as a sine x. But if you use u as x and dv as cosine sine x dx, here if you derivative it, du equal dx, integral sine, it will be minus cosine x dx. Now u times v, it will be minus x cosine x minus the integral of du times v, it will be cosine x dx. And here it will be easier because you use what? The correct u. This is what we will discuss in this lecture. We have here one techniques. We have one list, L, I, A, and let's move this one here, and T, E. What this means, or this list means? First of all, we must know the first thing you find in this list will be u, and the other one will be dv. Now let's explain this. Now L means logarithm or natural logarithm, I means inverse trigonometric like tan inverse, sine inverse, A algebraic polynomial like x squared plus 3, and trigonometric or exponential in the same order, the sine x, cosine x, or ex. How it's work? Let us see. Now, if I have this integral ln x dx, I go to the list. L means logarithm. It means u will be ln x, but there is the other function dv, v. Where is dv here? We can write this function as ln x times 1 dx, and 1 dx, it will be dv. But if I have x ln x dx, also I will put u equal ln x and dv x dx. If we don't have logarithm, like if I have this example, tan inverse x dx, I can write it as tan inverse x times 1 dx. And here u in the list logarithm we don't have, then we will go to the inverse inverse trigonometric we have, so u equal tan inverse x, and dv it will be 1 dx. Also, if I have sine inverse x, or x, the integral of x sine inverse x dx, what I will do also, I will go to the list, logarithm I don't have, then I go to inverse trigonometric I have, so u will be sine inverse x, and dv will be x dx. Now, if I don't have logarithm, I don't have inverse trigonometric, I have like a polynomial like x sine x dx. What we will do, we have x as u equal x, and dv equal sine x dx. If I have x squared cosine x dx, also this is a polynomial, it means that u equal x squared and dv equal cosine x dx. Sometimes I have like ex sine x dx. Here what we will do, here I have exponential function and trigonometric. Here you can use u as ex and dv sine x dx, or you can use u as sine x and dv as ex dx, because in the list t and e in the same group or in the same order. This is the first thing that we learn in this lecture. Next time we will take examples and explain everything. Please don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Thank you and see you next lecture.